Hey folks, this is Long Ball Cards. We're going to open up another one of these Great Lakes Breaks collector's boxes. This is a very affordable subscription box, less than 30 bucks. You get some hobby packs in here and a whole bunch of cards. And it's in a reusable box. GLBBreaks.com. My son gets this box every month and he loves it. He looks forward to it every month. I did already cut this open so that I didn't have to edit out myself, slicing myself open here. So, we get a bunch of packs and a bunch of cards. So we've got, those are our packs. It also looks like you get some, looks like there's some empty top loaders in here, so you get some supplies plus some hits. There's a hit right there. And look at that, all those cards in there. Let's start with the cards. So right here, some rookies from this year. Josh Lowe. Castro rookie from Bowman Chrome, nice. Ramos rookie. Mountcastle Cup card. Cooper Criswell rookie. First Bowman Chrome. Benelis, that's pretty cool. Put a first Bowman Chrome on the stage there. Make some room. A lot of Bowman in here. Bowman rookies is always good. Bowman Chrome, there's a Lowe rookie. So, pretty cool. Some Topps Fire. What else do we have in here? Hey, there's a Finest Flashbacks. Jack Flaherty. First Bowman Chrome. Knack. Austin Martin. We got a rookie from Topps Finest of Ahmed Rosario. Rodolfo Castro rookie again. So, some good stuff. Again, this box is less than 30 bucks, and so we're getting a lot of cards, some big names, some rookies. David Bodie, rookie. Rookie debut. Max Muncy. Some classics cards. Hey, there's a Griffey Jr. Jose Fernandez. Joey Gallo. And there is a Trey Turner. What else do we have in here? I think this is the last of our singles. Yeah. That Aaron Judge. It's pretty cool. What is that from? 2022. Topps X Aaron Judge. Okay. Very nice. Put that on the stage. Aaron Judge having that crazy year this year. There's our Ryan Howard. Got a Stars of MLB Juan Soto. Pretty cool. Like that insert. Cedric Mullins. Patrick Wisdom Cup card in Chrome from this year. Pujols. There's a Trout insert. Very cool. We'll put the Trout insert on stage. What else do we have here? Jose Rodriguez, rookie. There's a Turkey Red of Albies. Tatis insert. William Contreras, rookie. He was an all-star. Reggie Jackson. Willie Adames. Another Mullins. Chipper Jones. Is this an parallel? Don't know. Getting a variety of stuff here. There is a relic, Bat Kings of Dustin Pedroia. It's a big name. Put that up here. Jermaine Dye. And that does it. First Bowman paper of Rodolfo Nolasco. So lots of cool singles in here, and then they have some hits. Pretty cool. Martin. Lannis Martin from 2014 Gypsy Queen. Pretty cool. Christian Javier rookie. And then lots of sleeves and top loaders there, which is pretty cool. It's always good to get some extra supplies. Put our hit up there. And let's take a look at these packs. So we've got an oversized Bowman. This is like kind of like the Bowman of that year where they were bigger, which when I was a kid, it drove me crazy because I couldn't fit them in the sleeves in my binder. That's a cool one. And so the packs are, this is a Fire Hobby Pack, a 2020 Heritage High Number Hobby Pack, and a 2021 Series 2 Hobby Pack. So all hobby packs. Let's start with the Series 2. All right. So this looks like it's going to be a base pack. Got a rookie, though, of Ryan Weathers. Let's do Heritage High Numbers. So from 2020, we could get a Luis Robert rookie out of this. Kyle Farmer. We did get a chrome, or I guess you call that a chrome variation of this, of Yamaguchi rookie. And there we go, Luis Robert rookie card. Very cool. So let's put that up here. And Miles Straw. And our last pack is Fire, and I have not opened any Fire yet. So this is from this year. So this will be fun. Tim Anderson, Shane Baz rookie, Contreras. Hey, we got a Stott. It's like a rainbow or foil variation there. Very cool. Quan rookie and Buxton. So not bad at all. So let us know what you think here. Check them out again if you are interested. It's a very affordable box. It's glbbreaks.com. Thanks again for watching.